Hey guys, it's Eddie over here at Indian Head Chrysler. It's a hot one today. Finally, the temperature is nice and warm. It's beautiful out here. The only thing that's missing is trucks. We need some trucks. So I'm standing where our used trucks usually are. I have 3 trucks and they're off make. They're not even Ram trucks. I need your trucks. I need anywhere from 2014 all the way up to 2019, 2020, whatever you're looking to trade in. If you're looking to trade in, we've got some new trucks that you can get into with great incentives, or we can just buy it off you. We are in need of trucks super bad. So whether you're looking for go into a brand new van, Grand Caravans, the 2020s right now have great incentives, 25% off. And if you're currently financing your vehicle, you get a loyalty bonus cash added on top of that. Same thing with our new body style trucks. Our DT trucks pull ahead extra $3,000 if you're currently financing. If you're eligible, you get an extra $3,000 just for going into a new vehicle. So whether you're looking to get into a brand new 2021 Dodge Durango GT, or maybe you'd like to trade in your Ram truck and go right back into a Ram truck, like most of our customers do. This beautiful 2021 Ram 1500 Classic Warlock, brand new arrival, it actually got off the truck today, is here waiting for you. Or if you like the new body style, you can take a look at this 21 Laramie with the Sport Appearance package. That's absolutely loaded. So this is a perfect time for you to be looking at trading in your truck. If you've been thinking about it, humming and hawing about it, oh, maybe I should, maybe I shouldn't, I don't know what it's worth. Hey, let's just give it a try. Send us the information. You can send us your VIN, send us the kilometers, all of that. If you owe money, we can look at that as well. Whatever we're gonna do, at the end of the day, we need some used trucks. So give us a shout, give us all the info. We'll give you the best deal that we can possibly give you, just as if you were buying a brand new truck. If you want to just sell it to us, we can do that. If you want to trade it in and get into a brand new vehicle, we can do that as well. Give us a shout, let us know. Number here is 306-695-2254. And check us out on our website, www.ihchrysler.ca. Email us, check us out on Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, Instagram, all that stuff. We'll see you soon.